This last part is the most complicated. I'm going to start on the XY plane. I'm going to enter Sketcher, and we are going to create the master rod. Start with the inner cylinder, constrain to the origin to make the rest of the sketches easier, and constrain circle. Double click to change the value. Here's our first one. Second one on the same axis. Constrain the circle. And the distance between the two. Now create the beginning of the smaller radiuses. And constrain those off the origin. Same with this one. To make it easier, you just do not erase. Control Z to bring it back. You want to mirror these circles. Highlight both of them. Click the mirror command and the axis, and they pop up on both sides. You want to create the bigger radiuses. You can also tab over up top to input your values. It automatically constrains your circle. You want to highlight the circle, the big one of the small ones, and constrain it to tangency. That way they are touching, and we can make a continuous sketch. Okay. Now no matter what you do, that circle stays connected with the smaller one. Do the same to the other one. Tangency. Okay, and now they're connected. Then you can erase the big part. Now you have this radius. Do that with the other ones. Tab over to your radius. Tangency with the little circle. Okay. Tangency. Okay. And you can erase. And once you have two, you can erase the rest of the little circle, and then you have a continuous sketch. Continue to do the next ones. Tangency. Okay. Tangency. Okay. And erase. You can see the sketch starting. Also want to create two lines. Constrain the distances. And then want to coincident the point with the circle. That way the point just touches the circle. Same with the other one. And also want to make symmetry. That way it's lined up in between the axis. Same with these 2 points. It's better if you do that first. I'll help everything line up. Again, those dots are coincident. That way they can't move around. They just change the length. Now for the last two, tab over, put your radius, tangency with the circle. One more. Now continue with the last one. Tab over, your radius, tangency. Okay. Move them just slightly. Now coincident the dots with the circles. And you can move them back. Constrain. And then trim. Exit Sketcher. There's your sketch. Pad. There you go. Now to start removing some of it, and click on the top, enter Sketcher. We are going to create a profile. To get rid of this top part, I'm going to coincident that line with this one so we don't get rid of too much, and we also want to keep create this flip the circle with the origin, change the value,